Alright guys, welcome to another episode of Hook and Bass 92. I'm your host Corey, and today I wanted to show you guys that it is possible to be out on the lake and stuff without buying a $10,000 to $20,000 boat or even more. My last video, I used a Jon Boat. It was probably $300, and it's like 15 feet, and all you need is a Jon Boat that doesn't leak any water, and all you need is electronic trolling motor. And the Jon Boat, you can get them between $300 and $800. I mean, you don't even have to spend $800. There's most aluminum ones out there for $200 to $500. If you just go on Craigslist or eBay or somewhere around you, and they'll even throw a trailer in for you. I'm gonna play the clips right here for you guys so you can check it out. Was it just like a big lake like this?
It's not this big.
Oh, it's not even close. The next closest thing in this is like Kentucky Lake or something, you're saying?
Like this?
Yeah.
Caesar's Creek. This is up in Poland, probably like 45 minutes away. And there's Brookville Lake over in Indiana, like an hour.
My gosh!
Snack.
Yeah. I tried to push off my pole, but it didn't work out. At least the wind. Well, the wind are. See, in the cove, there's not as much wind. Nose rig. Drop shot. It's pretty deep. My bait's ain't bait. Oh, something just swam off. Oh my God, dude, we're gonna get something here. Looks good, promising. Been saying that all day. Hopefully it works. Now it's hit. Oh, look, there's a fit.
What?
It's shallow. There's a. We throw a worm or something over there. What do you got on there? Rock structures, and it's clear. Yeah. I don't know if there's like a stream over here or what. Guys, I hope you enjoy that. So like I was saying, we got pretty far with that Jon Boat. Even if it was like windy and the current was pushing towards us, we still got moving pretty good. So like I'm saying, all you need is aluminum Jon Boat. You can get at Craigslist between $200 and $800. A trolling motor you put in the back and a battery. I mean, that's going to run you, I don't know, I would say... I don't know, like $900 at the most, or maybe even $700, and it just depends on like the stuff that you get and who you buy. Like the one I'm trying to get is probably, like I say in the beginning of my video, $2,000. But I mean, I'd rather take $2,000 over something that's like $20,000, and I can even pull. And it comes with a trailer, so I mean that's pretty cool to me. So like I was saying, get out there on the water. You can go out there, get the cheap Jon Boat. You don't need a big one. Just get one with electronic motor, battery, and make sure it's stable and doesn't leak. Get your basking gear, and you can go out there and catch any fish you want. Alright guys, just want to say thanks for watching my video, and as always, catch big fish. Have a good day.